Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a 2011 Fiat 500. It's a cute little compact car. It's should be a pretty easy clean. It doesn't seem to be too dirty inside, so it should be a really fun clean. I've never cleaned a Fiat before. I've never actually been inside of a Fiat before, so we'll see how it goes. So hope you like this video and check out this cleaning. Thanks. As usual, I like to take out all personal items from the car as well as any large pieces of trash before vacuuming and shampooing the carpets. The car owner happens to be an animal lover and brings her dogs with her often, so I just broke out the lily brush and was able to pick up the dog hair with ease. It took some extra effort to get these stubborn stains out of these seats. The cloth was so thin and the solution flowed almost immediately to the foam pad underneath, but I was able to get about 99% of the stains off these seats. plastic trim of this Fiat 500 responded very well to the 10-to-1 dilution of Meguiar's all-purpose cleaner. If you are interested in any of the products I use, I have them all linked below in the description. Detail brushes are essential when trying to clean hard-to-reach spots such as this deep, narrow cup holder in the center console. .303 Aerospace Protectant is a must when finishing any plastic and vinyl surfaces during a detail. It leaves a beautiful matte finish for up to 6 weeks without any sticky or greasy residue. I highly recommend it. The owner's outdoor cat likes to bask in the sun on top of the car. The toughest part of this detail was definitely getting the cat hair off of the fabric convertible top. It took quite a long time. My little helper's favorite thing to do is blast the foam snow on the car. It's also one of my favorite things to do as well. After soaping the car, it's always good practice to go in with the detailing brush in the nooks and crannies and any place where a wash mitt would have trouble cleaning. Pay attention to the gas latch as well, it can get pretty gross inside. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Now let's see some aftershots. Alright guys, hope you like this video. This Fiat 500 is definitely super difficult to detail. It's just really crammed. I couldn't figure out how to get the car seats out, so I really couldn't get underneath the seats in that carpet. The carpet was really difficult to clean up, but I think I did a pretty good job. So hope you like this video. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.